Hola, it's Gabby here for Crafty Gabby, and today I'm going to make a card using this stamp set that is gears. It's from Ink Blot Shop. They don't have faces in right now, but you can stamp whatever face you want. And I'm going to color the skin and the hair using copy markers, and the dress I'm going to make it with paper piecing. When I'm finished coloring the faces, I'm going to stamp the features, and then I'm going to apply more copy markers to make the blush effect. For the skins and the hair, I use three different colors, like light, medium, and dark. That's it. I guide myself with the hex chart that is from Sandy Alnock. I don't know if really is Alnock. Yeah, I think it's Alnock, the last name, but it's a very good guide. Then I will cut all the pieces for the dresses in different pattern papers, and I'm going to add a little bit of shadow with distress inks. When I finish adding the shadows, I'm going to glue the dresses down in the gears. I'm also going to add the details, like this one that have the headband. In some of the dresses, I apply 2 layers of paper piecing, like in the one that have ruffles in the top of the dress. I add a second layer, just gluing the top part of the dress. You will see this in a few minutes. For the hat, in this case, I have to open a little bit the top part of the bottom part of the hat, sorry, and put it inside. That way it fits very good. Now I'm going to cut this frame that is just a rectangle, a scallop rectangle, and I'm going to measure to see if the ladies fit very well in the frame, and I'm going to cut 3 per gear. That way you give it a little bit of more dimension, and they look like they are in a picture frame. To glue the gear to the picture frame, I'm just going to add a little bit of color. I add 4 different colors, a different color for each gear, with distress inks, and I'm going to glue the little gear and the frame, and after that I will cut all around the frame, leaving me with the picture frame in a little bit with dimension, because the scallop rectangle have 3 layers. I'm going to do this on all 3 other gears. When I have all four frames, I'm just going to glue them down to my card panel. As you see here, I'm going to glue the ones in the sides directly to the card panel, and the ones in the middle I'm going to help myself to glue them down with foam tape, because that way they get a little bit of dimension and they don't get squished when you press them down. They don't get squished to the bottom. Now I'm going to add some details to these little girls. I'm going to add flowers. That you see here, they have flowers in the hat and in the dress, and I'm just going to cut these tiny flowers that come in a string, and I'm going to cut two for this string that is in white, and I'm going to color with my copy markers because it's alcohol-based ink. They dry very fast. I'm going to put it to my sticker maker, and I'm going to glue them down. I'm going to glue two flowers in the dress because the flower is smaller than the stamp, and that's the only way I find that it can cover the whole ink. After that, I will add little jewels in the middle of the flower. I adding some details in the cheeks of the girls with my gel white marker, and I also going to add flowers to the girls in the corners. I was thinking first to add a heart because you have a heart necklace, but then I want to match them all with flowers, and I'm going to add flowers in the headbands of the two girls in the corners. I'm going to add earrings that is going to be flat tiny pearls. I didn't do that in video, sorry about that. Well, I did it on video, but my head was in the camera, not what I was doing. I have to delete that part of the video. And the earrings are all in different colors, but you cannot notice in the video. You will see maybe a little bit more on the pictures. I glue all the details with glossy accents in the girls in the corner, the flowers and the heart. I'm going to also add more detail with my with the white gel pen in the dresses, and I also going to add let me see, I have it here, is Irresistible Pico Embellisher in Tuxedo Black in the eyes. This made the eyes a little bit dimensional and shiny. This is great to use for creatures, mostly the birds. I'm also going to add buttons in the dress of the girl with the hat. I'm going to glue my card panel to another piece of paper that is flowery pattern paper. And I'm going to make my car base using two pieces of different paper. One is 4 inches by 8 and the other one is 4 inches and a half by 8. The final car is 4 inches 4 by 8. Going to glue my car panel down, and that will be it. This is my car for today. I hope you liked them. Thank you for watching my videos. Leave a comment if you feel like it, and until next car, goodbye.